Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Park, handbrake on, engine off, wheels straight. You shift to neutral so the shifter can move freely. Once done, peel back the leather or rubber gaiter at the seam to expose the knob base. Make sure to look around the base for a plastic C-clip or small spring retainer. It's often hidden. You'll use a flat pick or small screwdriver to push that retainer aside. This frees the knob's hold without forcing the metal. You now disengage the retainer. Press the exposed tab with a flat pick or a thin 2mm screwdriver while holding the shifter shaft steady with your other hand. Once the tab is compressed, pull the knob straight up, firm, steady force. If it resists, twist slightly while pulling. This breaks any corrosion or adhesive bond. Avoid rocking the shaft side to side, which can damage the shift boot or linkage. Keep the retainer so you can reuse it. Finish by checking the exposed shaft. Clean dirt or grease from threads or splines using a rag and contact cleaner so the new or reinstalled knob seats properly. Refit the retainer and push the gaiter back into place, making sure it sits flush. Once assembled, test gear selection through all positions to confirm nothing binds. If the knob refuses to budge earlier, apply a penetrating spray, wait 10 to 15 minutes, then retry. That tip solves most stuck knobs without damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.